Alright, it's another great day in the neighborhood. But this time we are not into app creators. I'm going to get out of app creators and we are going to go to computer science for innovators and makers. Okay, and then I will not be using the MIT over here, so I'll get rid of those two. And I need to go back up here and I need to go to maker code. Make code. Make code. Make code for microbit. Make sure that's on that side. Okay, we're going to come down here to the ins and outs. Okay. Alright, we're on 2.1, most of us. Let's see. Most have finished. No, we're not on 2.1. We're on 2.2. 2.2, yep. Okay, so most have already done the LED board, what's in a pause, the buzzer, the standard servo, and the continuous servo. Once you've finished with all of those, you're ready to go on to the next. The gentlemen, the boys in the class that I've asked to help you are Julio N, Angel G, Angel P, Jesus O, Edwin, Tony can help as well. So those gentlemen, please don't be afraid to ask them questions. Alright, so using inputs to control outputs. Let's see, what is that part? That one is the questions, I believe. Let me see, make sure. Yes. Alright, so okay, that's that part at the bottom. That also has to be done right here. This is the last part. Yes, this one right here, the LED_1. You needed to have saved the hex files, so you need to go back and make sure you have all the hex files. Look at your colors. They're all there. Look at your debug steps. Let's see. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, so this brain activity conclusion right there, we will do the conclusion together. So now for the rest of you, this one is get connected. These two questions at the top, you don't need to answer. Your materials that you're going to need your microbit, your battery holder, but it only has the 2 AA, so you're going to use the other one. In the black thing I was holding all the stuff in, it's over by the shelves by my desk. That's where all the supplies are. You can go get the 2 AA battery things, Activity 1.2 challenge, and the A2_3 math.x. Okay, this one's talking about Bluetooth wireless technology. Remember when we explored the digital dive in Activity 1.1, the brain? The digital devices can communicate with each other through wired or wireless connections. So in this activity, you're going to practice creating programs and sending data wirelessly between 2 microbit controllers. To do this, your microbits will use Bluetooth wireless technology. So what you will do is you'll have one group over like on one table, and then you'll have another group on another table. And the 2 groups, your microbits are going to be talking to each other. So you can work that out. However, so and this gives you the background on Bluetooth and how it was named Bluetooth. So be sure and understand that, because I will give you a quiz on that when I get back. So here's all the stuff about the Bluetooth, and you have your BLE antenna. Okay, this is your Bluetooth low energy antenna, and it's used to create a personal area network that uses low energy to power Bluetooth wireless technology. Alright, so you will use your radio drawer, and so here's a video. You need to watch the video, and it talks about variables. Remember, we talked about variables. We talked about the values, the strings, the Boolean, and the regular value. Okay, so you have your values, your numerical amount defined in algebraic equation. You have a string, which is a sequence of characters, letters, numerals, symbols, and punctuation marks. and you have your Boolean, which is a type of data in computing that a logical expression evaluates to. The only possible values for Boolean are true and false. That's a very important point. All right, so you will follow through and just follow directions. If you need help, you can contact me, LJONOVICH@balts.org. You can contact me there. I will go through it as much as possible with you. If you need to import, always remember you go right here to where it says import a project. And then you can also, there's another spot, what you can do is you can, if you hit the Windows button, you go over to the Windows button here and you're going to right click, not with your left finger, your right finger. You're going to right click. You're going to go to File Explorer. It should open up. Okay. And when you have a microbit hooked up, over here in this area, you're going to see where it'll say microbit. I don't have a microbit hooked up, but you will see microbit. And you can take any document that you have in here and you can just drag it over and put it in the side there where you have your microbit. You'll drag it across. Those boys can also help you do anything you need to have done. All right. So if there's any questions, please do not hesitate to ask me, and I will be available by phone. I may be asleep or whatever, but I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So please, let's make sure we take care of all this, and I thank you so much. And oh, what, I don't want to do that. What am I doing here? Okay. And you have a good day, and oops, where is the, there it is. Okay, and I thank you very much for listening, and like I said, I'll let you know how big the baby is and all the particulars when I know it. Okay, have a good day. This is Miss J, out.